You are not bad at English. You are just stopping at the wrong moment. That moment when your mind suddenly goes blank in the middle of a sentence. You start strong, then you freeze. Words disappear. Confidence drops. And the worst part is, you know what you want to say, but it does not come out. This is not a vocabulary problem. This is not a grammar problem. This is a thinking habit that is silently blocking your fluency every single day. And once you fix this one habit, your speaking will change faster than you expect. Most people believe they cannot speak English because they do not know enough words. But the truth is very different. You already know enough English to speak basic sentences. You understand conversations. You can read and even think in English sometimes. Yet when it comes to speaking, especially in real time, you suddenly get stuck. This happens because your brain is trying to do something unnecessary. It tries to be perfect instead of being natural. In this video, you will understand exactly why you freeze mid-sentence and how to fix it with a simple method that keeps you speaking without stopping. Why you freeze mid-sentence? The biggest reason you get stuck in the middle of a sentence is overthinking while speaking. The moment you begin talking, your brain does not just focus on expressing your idea. Instead, it starts checking everything at the same time. It looks for perfect words, correct grammar, and a proper sentence structure. This constant checking slows your thinking and breaks your flow. Speaking is a real-time activity, and when you try to judge every word before saying it, your brain cannot keep up. As a result, you pause, lose momentum, and suddenly feel blank. Another major reason is the habit of translating from your native language into English. Many learners first create the full sentence in their native language and then try to convert it into English word by word. This extra step creates delay and confusion. If you do not find the exact word or structure instantly, your mind gets stuck between two languages. Instead of speaking naturally, you feel pressure to translate correctly, and that pressure causes you to stop mid-sentence. There is also a strong fear of making mistakes that affects your speaking. While talking, a part of your mind keeps asking questions like, "Is this right?" or "What will others think?" This fear makes you more conscious about correctness than communication. Because of this, your brain prefers to stop rather than risk saying something wrong. This habit blocks your confidence and prevents smooth speaking. Finally, many people have a habit of stopping when they do not know a word. Instead of using simple or alternative words, they pause and try to remember the exact word they want. This breaks the flow immediately. Fluent speakers do not know every word, but they continue speaking by adjusting their sentences. The problem is not lack of knowledge, but the habit of stopping instead of continuing. The "keep talking" rule that fixes this habit. The most effective way to stop freezing in the middle of a sentence is to follow one simple rule. Keep talking, even if your sentence is not perfect. Many learners believe they should pause, think carefully, and then speak correctly. This habit actually slows you down and increases hesitation. Speaking is a real-time skill, and waiting for perfect sentences breaks your flow. Fluent speakers do not stop when they feel unsure. They continue speaking, adjust their words, and complete their ideas without long pauses. When you apply the "keep talking" rule, your brain shifts its focus from perfection to expression. Instead of searching for the exact word, you use the words you already know and move forward. This reduces pressure and helps your mind stay active during conversation. The more you continue speaking without stopping, the more natural your flow becomes. Over time, your brain learns that it does not need to pause to be correct. It only needs to keep expressing the idea. One powerful way to support this habit is by using simple connectors while speaking. Words like and, but, so, because, and, then help you extend your sentence and avoid sudden stops. These connectors act as bridges between your thoughts and give your brain extra time to think. Even if you feel stuck, adding a connector allows you to continue instead of freezing. This keeps your speech smooth and continuous. You can also use filler phrases to maintain flow when you are unsure. Phrases like, I think, I feel like, in my opinion, or let me explain, are natural in everyday conversations. They help you stay in motion while your brain organizes the next idea. These phrases are not a weakness. They are tools that fluent speakers use to avoid silence and keep conversations going. Another important part of this rule is simplifying your sentences. If you do not know a complex word, use a simpler one. If a sentence feels difficult, break it into smaller parts. Communication becomes easier when your goal is clarity, not perfection. The moment you stop chasing perfect sentences and start focusing on continuous speaking, your fluency begins to improve naturally. Practice exercises to build continuous flow. Understanding the keep talking rule is important, but real change happens only when you practice it consistently. You need to train your brain to stay active while speaking, even when you feel unsure. These exercises are designed to remove the habit of stopping and replace it with continuous expression. The goal is not to speak perfectly, but to speak without breaking your flow. The first exercise is the no pause speaking practice. Choose any simple topic such as your daily routine, your plans, or something you like. Set a timer for 1 minute and start speaking. Your only rule is that you cannot stop. Even if you do not know what to say next, you must continue using simple words, connectors, or filler phrases. At first, you may struggle, but this exercise forces your brain to keep generating language instead of freezing. The second exercise is the replace the missing word habit. While speaking, if you forget a word, do not stop to remember it. Instead, explain the idea using other words. For example, if you forget the word for something specific, describe its function or use. This trains your mind to stay flexible and continue speaking without depending on perfect vocabulary. Over time, you will become more confident in handling gaps during conversations. Another powerful exercise is thinking directly in English. Instead of forming sentences in your native language and translating them, try to create small, simple thoughts directly in English. Start with basic ideas and keep them short. This reduces the delay caused by translation and helps your brain respond faster. The more you practice this, the more natural your speaking becomes. You should also practice speaking out loud regularly, even when you are alone. Many learners only think in English but do not actually speak. Speaking out loud activates your flow and improves your ability to continue sentences smoothly. You can talk about what you are doing, what you are planning, or even describe your surroundings. The key is to keep your speech active and uninterrupted. Consistency is what makes these exercises effective. If you practice daily, even for a few minutes, your brain will slowly adapt to continuous speaking. The habit of stopping will weaken, and your confidence will grow. Over time, you will notice that you can speak longer, think faster, and express your ideas without getting stuck. How to stay confident while speaking. One of the biggest challenges while speaking English is not lack of knowledge, but lack of confidence in the moment. Even when you know what to say, your mind creates doubt. You start questioning your words, your grammar, and how you sound. This self-doubt interrupts your flow and makes you stop mid-sentence. To improve your speaking, you need to build the habit of trusting your thoughts while speaking. The first step is to accept that mistakes are a natural part of learning. No one speaks perfectly all the time, even fluent speakers. Small errors do not break communication, but stopping does. When you allow yourself to make mistakes and continue speaking, you remove pressure from your mind. This helps you stay relaxed and focused on expressing your idea instead of trying to be correct every second. Another important habit is focusing on your message, not your language. When you shift your attention to what you want to say instead of how you are saying it, your speech becomes more natural. Your brain starts working on delivering the idea rather than checking every word. This simple shift improves your flow and reduces hesitation during conversations. You should also build confidence by speaking regularly in low-pressure situations. Practice alone, speak in front of a mirror, or talk to yourself about simple topics. This allows you to experiment without fear of judgment. As you become comfortable speaking freely, your confidence automatically increases in real conversations as well. Finally, remind yourself that communication is about connection, not perfection. People care more about understanding your message than noticing small mistakes. When you focus on continuing your sentence and completing your thought, your speaking becomes smoother and more effective. Confidence grows when you stop judging yourself and start trusting your ability to express, even if it is simple. Fluency is not built by knowing more words. It is built by continuing, even when your mind feels unsure. The moment you stop trying to be perfect and start focusing on finishing your thoughts, everything begins to change. Your sentences become smoother, your confidence becomes stronger, and speaking starts to feel natural instead of stressful. You will still have pauses sometimes, and that is completely normal. What matters is that you do not stay stuck there anymore. You move forward, you adjust, and you keep expressing your ideas. That is the real difference between someone who struggles and someone who speaks fluently. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.